3D concealed door hinge can be adjusted by loosening the screws, up and down, left and right. The installer can easily adjust it with a screwdriver or an electric drill.
The biggest advantage of 3D concealed hinge is that it can adapt different doors and frames.
The hinge is made of stainless steel material. Except the firmness, the hinge can be fireproof. In mass production, the QC department strictly controls the product size and inspects the quality. Hinges will never cut corners so that they can be used on heavy doors.